Let's subtract these two fractions. The first denominator is 24. The second denominator is 8. Use the other denominator, 8, to scale the first fraction. Write 7 times 8 over 24 times 8. That gives the equal fraction 56 over 192. Now scale the second fraction by 24. Write 1 times 24 over 8 times 24. That gives 24 over 192. Both denominators now match. Keep the denominator and subtract the top numbers. Subtracting the numerators gives 32 over 192. The numerator and denominator share a factor of 32. Divide both by 32. Dividing top and bottom by the same number keeps the fraction's value unchanged. That gives 1 over 6 in lowest terms. Final answer, 1 over 6.